Yo, what's up guys, it's Tech Jake back again, and today we're talking about a piece of pro-level gear that's built for serious content creators, presenters, and production teams. It's the RoboSHOT 20 UHD PTZ camera, and trust me, this thing is no joke when it comes to 4K performance and seamless connectivity. If you're looking for a camera that delivers broadcast quality visuals, smooth PTZ control, and an all-in-one cabling solution, this might just be what your setup's been missing. This camera is packing a 3840 by 2160 resolution sensor, shooting 4K at 30 frames per second. And that's not just about resolution, it's about true-to-life colors, razor-sharp detail, and performance that's built for live events, education, corporate, and even medical use cases. Now this is where it gets cool, 20x optical zoom. So whether you're in a large lecture hall or covering a conference panel, you're getting those clean, close-up shots without losing any image quality. With pro-level PTZ control, the RoboSHOT 20 tracks smoothly and accurately. No jerky pans. No laggy movements. Just solid performance whether you're following a speaker or moving between camera presets. And here's one of my favorite features, the one-link bridge system. It combines power, video, and control into one cable. Yeah. 1. That means fewer wires, cleaner installs, and a faster setup, whether you're mounting this in a classroom or a multicam studio. HDMI, USB 3.0, IP streaming, it's all here. So whether you're live streaming to YouTube, capturing via OBS, or sending video to a switcher, the RoboSHOT's got you covered. So let's run it back real quick. Why should you care about the RoboSHOT 20 UHD? 4K Ultra HD video quality, pro-grade resolution and color accuracy, 20x optical zoom, keep things crisp, even from a distance. Seamless PTZ tracking, smooth, pro-level control. One-link integration, one cable, no stress. Multiple outputs, plug it into almost anything. Perfect for streaming, education, training, and more. If you're building a next-gen AV setup, this camera should absolutely be on your radar. Professional. Clean. Powerful. That's the RoboSHOT 20 UHD. And hey, if you're thinking about picking one up, there's a limited time discount, and I've dropped the link for that down in the description. Go check it out. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives on awesome tech. I've got more heat coming your way real soon. Peace.